Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing for the new year. Preparing for the new year, it's building momentum. So don't wait for January 1st to start thinking and preparing for that year. Prepare before because energy flows where preparation begins. So start early, start as soon as you can, build momentum. You don't have to wait until December, you don't have to wait until New Year Eve, and you don't have to wait until January 1st to start thinking and preparing for your goals for the year and the things you would like to experience and have and achieve. So, how to prepare for the new year? First, set intentions, not resolutions. It's different. Intentions is more based on what you feel. It's more based on what is it that you want to feel next year. Setting intention activates your brain's goal-oriented prefrontal cortex, making behavior change more likely. After you listed and set your intention for the new year, list your goals, write them down. You can categorize by different category like health and personal growth and finance. So write down your goals and we group them in different category themes, and then build a vision board. Vision boards are very, very, very helpful. I've done vision boards for the past few years now. And even when I think about the vision board of this year, by mid of the year, like after 6 months, I had already achieved more than half of my vision boards. It's actually crazy. So create a vision board. It can be digital. It can be on your phone. I actually have mine digital for this year. I did it on Canva, I think. I used Canva, but I also used Pinterest for images and words and inspiration. Instead of doing the paper one, using magazines and like the physical one, I did digital just because it was more convenient that year. So there's different ways of making a vision board, but you want to find images that are representative of your goals, of the things you want to achieve, you want to get, and you want to manifest in the year coming up. So mainly images. You can have some words, but images have a different impact on your brain. So build your vision board based on the list of goals that you wrote down. So the vision boards, the visualization combined with written goals increases success probability by 42%. There is a study about that, and it increases your success probability by a lot when you write down your goal and you have a visual form of your goals. Once you've done that, you're already ahead. You're already ahead of next year because you set your intention. You know what you want to feel next year. You want to feel freedom. You want to feel love. You want to feel joy. You want to feel expansion. You want to feel growth. You want to feel alignment. You want to feel. You list your intention setting. After that, you write down your goals and you make your vision boards. You're already ahead. You already know what you want to manifest and what you want your next year to look like. So now use that momentum. You don't have to wait until January 1st to start acting on your goals and on the vision boards that you have on your phone or on your wall. You start now. You start in advance. You start before the new year comes, because that momentum will bring so much flow by the time new year comes, and you will already be in it. It will feed your confidence and you will feel your excitement and your motivation and your discipline. So start little by little. Start learning. Look at your list. Look at your goals. Look at your vision boards. What can you do right now? Can you start, okay, in your vision board, it's have my own business, become entrepreneur, become a creator, a content creator, become a YouTuber, become a successful YouTuber. Well, start now how to make videos, how to become a content creator, how to make thumbnails, how to make viral content, how to post a video on YouTube. Whatever your goal is, start doing research right now. Start acting on it right now. If you want to, I don't know, learn how to meditate, now you want to grow your spirituality and your connection to God, well, start checking out how to do meditation. Start asking question online on ChatGPT, doing some research, reading a book, buy a book that can teach you those things. Your goal is to have your own business and become entrepreneur. Well, how do you build a LLC? What type of business, first of all, and what type of structure can I get with the goal that I have? Do research, prepare in advance. You do not have to wait until January 1st to get on your vision board and to get on your manifesting and to get on creating your dream life of next year. Start ahead. It will help you a lot, because by new year, you would already be in the move, in the motion. You would have built momentum, and momentum is key in achieving and manifesting. So prepare now and start now. And your next year self will thank you. You will be so proud and so happy, I promise you. So good luck on your vision board, and let me know in the comments what are your goals for next year. And happy new year in advance. I don't know if it's bad luck to say it. If it's bad luck, I take it back. But if it's not, then happy new year, and I'm excited to continue this journey with you next year. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.